Okay, art club, this is what we're going to make. We're going to make this rainbow fan. So this is one rainbow fan. That's what we're going to be making today. And you can make multiples and you can put them together. This is two rainbow fans put together to make a circle. So you could hang this up as a decoration by punching a hole in it and adding some string. You could put a magnet on the back and put it on the refrigerator. So anything you want to do, you can make as many as you want. So you're going to need a piece of printer paper, some Scotch tape, and you need your rainbow color crayons, your primaries and your secondaries. First thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper in half, the long way or the hot dog bun way. Open that up, and that just divides your paper into two sections. And you're going to make your rainbow on this side and another rainbow on this side, but a mirror image of the rainbow. So that means that the colors will be the same here, and then the same here, and so on. So I'm going to start with red on the outside, and I'm going to also divide the paper up into half. Here's the middle half, and then I can kind of divide that up really lightly into thirds, just to give me a guideline. And I'm going to color in the rainbow. You can use markers. You can use, since this is a recording, you can use watercolors and let it dry and then come back to the video to finish the project. Colored pencils, anything that you have in stock at hand that can make a rainbow. I suppose you wouldn't even have to stop at a rainbow. If you like this idea and like this fan shape, you could make all kinds of different things, your favorite colors. Maybe just the cool colors, purple, blue, and green. Maybe just the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. Once you learn about an activity or an art project, if you want to be artistic about it, then you can go off and make it your own. Come up with your own twist. That's where the creativity really comes in. I'm going really fast, aren't I? But I'm coloring all in the same direction. Kind of draw my line and then I color in. Draw my line, color in. Yellow. Maybe you could, if you're using skinny tip markers or something, you could make a pattern or a design with the color instead of just coloring it in. If you blend your colors, then you get the intermediate colors, which are yellow-green, like I'm making here, and that would be yellow-orange and red-orange here. And those are made when you blend those two colors that are side by side. Okay, blue, azul, oops. Azul, that's a good word. Oh, I forgot to do green over here. I'll go back. And then this is Purple. It does not have the Spanish translation on there. These crayons must be from back in the day. Oh no! Smooth it out. Okay, back to green. I've been doing a lot of coloring these last few weeks. I really have. I've liked using crayons. I don't use crayons all the time. I like to use Sharpies when I'm working in my own sketchbook. I use Sharpies and colored pencils most of the time. Okay, so we've got this much space, so half blue. I'll make some blue-green. That blend in. And then purple. That's what happens when you go fast. You start crumpling up your paper. You guys take your time, okay? Pause this video while you're coloring. Alrighty, rainbow complete. Okay, so now we're gonna do an accordion fold, all right? So I'm going to fold about an inch. It's about the same size as the square. It's a little bit bigger than one of the strips if you were making those even. You can fold your paper and line up your edges. That way you know it's straight. And then make a nice crispy crease. Then you're going to fold it over and you're going to do that back the opposite way and try to make it the same as best you can, the same width. Give it a nice crease, flip, and fold. That's what I call this movement, flip and fold. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. Take a minute to line it up, push down really hard, make it a crispy crease. Okay, get all the way to the other side. So now we have this really cool accordion folded rainbow, right? All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to fold this in half. And we already have our half mark from the very beginning, the hot dog fold that created this crease right here where the purples meet. So you just do this. And just kind of give it a good pinch down here. So we've got our rainbow fan starting to take shape. We have to connect these two edges now. It doesn't matter if we're facing down or facing up, the same result will occur. Just sort of pinch them together. And you're going to put a little bit of Scotch tape on the back. So pinch them together, lay down your tape, fold it over, seal it up, and you've got yourself such a pretty rainbow fan. Okay? So I hope you had fun making that, and I hope you make a whole bunch more. And if you do, and you do something really cool with them, why don't you send me a picture? Take care of yourself. See you next week.